Again, for today, we also have to talk about the threat for some severe weather across some parts of the south central and the southeast for today. So many headlines to get to. Let's talk about it. You're waking up, your temperatures, they are a step up from what they were yesterday. So you're in the 30s for Montgomery, Alabama, Atlanta. It's better for you. You're in the mid 30s as well. Even Nashville, Lexington, what a change up you're seeing. Jackson, Mississippi, New Orleans, all of you guys, way better than previous days. You have that southerly flow really helping you out. That warmth will stretch its way to the southeast, even more so for today. We are tracking the chance for these scattered showers throughout the morning hours, though I think the heaviest rain that's associated with this front, that's going to be well into our evening hours and then also into those overnight hours too. And we do have the slight risk for severe weather. If you remember yesterday, it was a marginal risk. Today, we're taking a step up from that, from Houston past Shreveport, and I do think points north of Shreveport and even into southern Arkansas will be an area to watch where we have the chance to see, if anything, one of those isolated tornadoes pop up. So you really need to stay weather aware. Download the AccuWeather app. That way you have a way of receiving those alerts right there in the palm of your hand, especially as we get into those evening hours. It gets a little bit dicey. You're expecting to see those drenching downpours with that line as it comes together. And notice most of your day for today, it's fine. And you're on the warm side of things, much warmer, especially across our coastal areas for this afternoon than what you were yesterday. But this line really does come together pretty well, 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night and continues on for the midnight hour. And you can even see that switch over from rain to some freezing rain to snow on the back side of that. That's how quickly that cold air is just going to be rushing in. Look at Nashville, temperatures crashing, 24 degrees overnight. Jackson, Mississippi, 36. Dallas, 27 degrees. Huge changes on the way, enough that we also have winter weather advisories that are already in effect and that will be through tomorrow. That leads us to the icy situation that we'll be seeing shake out here for Huntsville all the way through Charleston, West Virginia. Keep in mind, any untreated surfaces could be very icy, could make for some treacherous travel tomorrow morning. That rain, it stretches and spreads its way from the central Gulf Coast to parts of the southeast here through the Carolinas and up through Raleigh. Still worried about that icing situation going on throughout the day on Thursday as these showers continue to stretch their way, even more so across the southeast into the Carolinas. And then we have to talk about that system that will be forming here. Bernie's going to be talking about that, but that will just increase the icing situation Friday, especially as we head into Saturday. A soaking rain expected across the panhandle, especially as we get into Friday night through places like Jacksonville, even down to Tampa. You could be seeing some of those showers. So lots to talk about here. I know